All right. What's up, everybody? I'm Taylor Soper from GeekWire here with my colleagues Nat Levy, Kurt Schlosser.
Hold up.
What?
You have sauce all over your face. We didn't really think that was
What's up, everybody? I'm Taylor Soper with GeekWire here with my colleagues Nat Levy, Kurt Schlosser, and we have just landed in Las Vegas. We're here for the Consumer Electronics Show, but before we see any new gadgets and new tech, what are we doing?
We're at In-N-Out Burger, and it's our first stop. We were hungry. We had a 2-hour flight, and this looked really good. We can't get this in Seattle, as we know, so here we are. It was Nat's idea to get a different burger every night, and this is night one.
So Nat, you're our burger connoisseur. Better than Dick's, Seattle's finest?
Oh, you're putting me on the spot here. I mean, I'll always have hometown allegiance, so I'm going to say no. Just because I love my city.
I like the pride. So we're here at CES. You guys, it's your first time. And, I mean, what are you excited about? What are you scared about? What are you nervous about? There's a lot of companies here introducing their latest, tech and innovation and gadgets. Amazon and Google are here with their voice assistants. That's a big theme. TVs, self-driving cars. What are you excited about?
I'm excited about the hysteria. I haven't been to Vegas in more than a decade, and everything you guys have told me leading up to this is that it's just a mob scene. So I want to see how everybody interacts with each other and with this crazy scene and with everything that is being showcased here, and find some cool stories that go along with that, and some fun stories.
More than 170,000 attendees this year from over 150 countries. I mean, it's going to be a circus, and I'm excited to read what you have to find out there, Nat.
Well, I'm interested in seeing the kind of back and forth one-upsmanship between Amazon and Google here. Google's basically taken over the entire town. We saw a billboard on the way in that flashed. They've wrapped the monorail with a Google ad. So I'm just excited to see these guys throw all the money they can at this.
Yeah. And what else beyond tech? I mean, do you like Las Vegas?
Don't ask me.
I don't know, man. I'm not. I mean,
We'll ask you on Thursday.
yeah, ask me in 4 days if I've had enough of Vegas. It's a novelty. It's kind of a goofy thing. It feels like an international city because there's a lot of people here that obviously are speaking different languages or have different accents. It's kind of neat in that regard. It draws people from all over the world. It's a goofy thing in the middle of the desert. We'll have fun. I'm sure we will.
We already are. And that, anything? I mean, you love Vegas.
I come here way too often, so.
For a different reason though this time.
Yeah, I've never been for CES. I'm really curious to see how it transforms the Strip and the city as a whole. And I hope that I don't get lost and you guys just leave without me or something.
That won't happen.
We'll see.
Well, Kevin, who's our photographer and videographer, your burger's getting cold, so it's time for you to come eat. Follow us, our coverage, #GeekWireCES on Twitter. All of our coverage on GeekWire.com. We'll be here till Thursday evening, covering everything from sports tech to Amazon, Alexa, to cars, to wacky stuff that we'll get involved with, I guess. So, signing off. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Nat, Kurt, I'm Taylor. We'll see you later.